Passing your UK driving test just got a lot harder.
New laws started on May 10th. You must know these.
You must now book your own test. No more proxies.
Rule 2. You now need 10 days notice to cancel.
Cancel late, and you will lose your entire fee.
You can only change your test date twice now. The third time you must cancel and pay again.
DVSA is officially banning all test swapping services. If you fail, the wait time is now 28 days.
This stops people from rushing tests without being ready.
Eye test rules are becoming much more strict now.
If you can't read the sign, the test ends London drivers. Congestion charges are going up again.
Follow these new rules or risk losing your license.
Subscribe for more UK Easy Life secrets and pass your driving test first time.